as I was saying, for those of you who has been in desert for prayers, you know, when you go to desert, you see lot of group of people doing their thing. So it happens that Evangelist Ebuka Obi then has his own people that they used to go to desert to pray. And whenever they go to the desert, they will see this group of people from same charismatic renewal. And whenever they are praying, those people will come to join them. And they never know that those people are adoration people, that those people are doing adoration thing. Maybe a small group of Adoration Ministry or Adoration Lagos Branch or whatever. They never knew. You know, so Evangelist Ebuka would always go there with his own prayer warrior to pray in desert. And whenever they go there, they will see those people. And due to the fact that some of those people are same member of charismatic, they will try to join them and pray together. But there is this brother Emma who happened to be the coordinator of those group of people that are forming Adoration Lagos Branch, which is the one that always go to Elijah Enugu to meet him on behalf of those people and get instruction and other things. Now, Evangelist Ebuka, who also know about Father Mbaka and like adoration, he will allow them, they will join them and they pray together. That was what happened then. I mean, I'm telling you this from the right source. Okay. Elijah Enugu came out to lie to people that Evangelist Ebuka was the coordinator of Lagos Adoration Branch. You guys should ask him, has Evangelist Ebuka then brought any situation report or any tithe and offering from Lagos Adoration Branch to him as his coordinator? Brother which you know that used to come over the desert then telling them that he met with you on behalf of them are the coordinator of Lagos Adoration Branch then? Or are you going to lie that you don't know who Brother is? Brother was the one who is working as a coordinator of Lagos Adoration Branch and not Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Evangelist Ebuka is a member of Charismatic Renewal. I always say every time. Last time in Zell Ministry, a brother came, he called him Brother Marcel, that he was the leader, and the man confirmed it. So, how did Evangelist Ebuka suddenly turn to your coordinator back then, Elijah Enugu? And if Evangelist Ebuka was your coordinator, then who is Brother Emma that always come to tell them that he met with you? What happened was that, for those of you who has been in desert to pray, you know, when you go to desert, you will see a lot of group of people over there doing their own prayers. My mama carry me go all those things tired. It's quite unfortunate that sometimes these adoration people maybe don't know who I am. My mama carry me go all those things tired. Even this rosary, you see this rosary, it's from Elijah Enugu. Then this rosary is since 2009. There is no way I'm going to without this rosary. In fact, this particular rosary now, it has been with me since 2009. You know, so we used to go all those things, desert, monastery, a lot of places there. And I don't know, I said I'm going to call. Oh God, now I'm going to drag me, they go, make I go, they follow them, they pray. But as I was saying, for those of you who has been in desert for prayers, you know, when you go to desert, you see lot of group of people doing their thing. So it happens that Evangelist Ebuka Obi then has his own people that they used to go to desert to pray. And whenever they go to the desert, they will see this group of people from same charismatic renewal. And whenever they are praying, those people will come to join them. And they never know that those people are adoration people, that those people are doing adoration thing. Maybe a small group of Adoration Ministry or Adoration Lagos Branch or whatever. They never knew. You know, so Evangelist Ebuka would always go there with his own prayer warrior to pray in desert. And whenever they go there, they will see those people. And due to the fact that some of those people are same member of charismatic, they will try to join them and pray together. But there is this brother Emma who happened to be the coordinator of those group of people that are forming Adoration Lagos Branch, which is the one that always go to Elijah Enugu to meet him on behalf of those people and get instruction and other things. Now, Evangelist Ebuka, who also know about Father Mbaka and like adoration, he will allow them, they will join them and they pray together. That was what happened then. I mean, I'm telling you this from the right source. Evangelist Ebuka have never been a coordinator of Lagos Adoration Branch. Their coordinator there was Brother Emma. And mind you, the first time Evangelist Ebuka met with Elijah Enugu was 2017. And that was when Adoration Ministry is having issue with Catholic Church already. So how come Evangelist Ebuka is the coordinator of Lagos Adoration Ministry? All those while, he never went to see Elijah Enugu till that 2017. He started having issue with Catholic Church. You know, say, a lot of you on this social media are so daft. You guys are daft, I swear to God. Because when someone is telling you a story, I mean, you have to reason. You try to link what the person is saying together. That's why most of my friends will always tell me that I'm difficult. Including my manager here, sometimes at my working place. If Evangelist Ebuka Obi was your coordinator since then in Lagos, why is it that Evangelist Ebuka Obi met you 2017 for the first time? That is when he started having issue with Catholic Church over there in Lagos. He run to you. He said, fear not, fear not, fear not, fear not, fear not. It's not making any sense to me. And some people are being carried away by their stupid emotion. You guys should ask Elijah Enugu, how many times did Evangelist Ebuka Obi brought any situation report to him or tithe and offering as a coordinator of Lagos Branch Adoration Ministry? And if Evangelist Ebuka Obi was his coordinator then, who is Brother Emma that always come to the desert then and tell them that he met Elijah Enugu and received some instruction? Even the last brother that came last time, I think his name is Brother Marcel, if I'm not mistaken, confirmed that yes, then he used to call Evangelist Ebuka Obi his boy. But now, Evangelist Ebuka Obi is his Lord, or something like that. I don't know why this man wants to be lying to these people. For those of you who has been ranting your mouth that he was the coordinator of you guys, who is now Brother Emma to you guys? And if Evangelist Ebuka was your coordinator, why didn't he met with Elijah Enugu all those while till 2017 when he was having issue with Catholic Church? Elijah Enugu zukwanike. Elijah Enugu zukwanike. Elijah Enugu. Zukwanike Elijah Enugu. Zukwanike. Ike abugo Elijah Enugu. Zukwanike. If Evangelist Ebuka Obi is your coordinator, who is Brother Emma to you? And how many times has Evangelist Ebuka brought situation report about the Lagos Adoration Branch? You can't swear about that because you know that you are lying. You know. Try to mess that young man away. After all the respect and praises you always showered on you because of your envy and jealousy. Some people are being carried away with their stupid emotion, even when the whole truth is there for them to see.